Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. We are going ahead and getting into this Nail Addict video. Well, it's formerly known as Nail Addict, now it is Nail Reserve. This is one of the colors that I actually picked out. Well, all of these colors are ones that I picked out. This one is called Sea, Swing, and Sun, I believe. I can't see it because I'm editing. I'm doing the voiceover right now, so it's kind of blocking the picture. But as you saw, I already actually used that color on a client that came earlier this week. She was looking for a nude just like that to match her toes, and that was literally the only one that I had. So we did go ahead and use that, and I thought the colors were super nice. Now these colors are literally like so thick. The pigment in it is so pigmented, like they're very opaque, and they remind me of Madam Glam. Now I already kind of knew that they were going to be similar to Madam Glam just from other people swatching them, and I was super excited that they finally contacted me. Well, they contacted me months ago, you guys, but I don't know, something was going on with them, like not receiving my messages, or I don't know what was going on. But finally somebody else contacted me and actually reached out again and wanted to send me some polishes. So I was like, duh, yes, I'll accept, because I've been waiting to try these polishes for myself because I've heard so many good things about them. So I was super excited to get this, and they were everything that I thought they would be. They were very similar to Madam Glam. I actually feel like these are a little thicker than Madam Glam. They almost remind me of the consistency of, look how beautiful that orange is, y'all. They almost remind me of the consistency of a hard gel that's in a bottle. Like, and I'm gonna show you all a little swatch in a second of exactly what I mean. But this one is white. I put the names in the screens for you all so that you can see which one they actually were, because I can't really see the names on the bottles as I'm doing this voiceover right now. But this one, you do have to do 2 coats with that one. Now, as you can see, I'm showing you right here just the consistency of it. It's very like sticky and tacky, like it's not your typical polish, but I really love it. I swear it's almost like a really thin hard gel, if that makes sense. But it is a polish, so super nice. I went ahead, and this one I actually put on too much. It was actually way too thick. And y'all are gonna see what I mean when I cure it. Make sure that you are not putting super thick layers of this polish, because they are already thick. You literally do not need a lot. This is 1 dip in the bottle, and even I still take off half of it on one side. So literally all you need is 1 dip. You do not need any more. All the colors except for that one, the Sea, Swing, Sun one, were 1 coat type polishes. That one was just kind of see-through and transparent, so I did have to put 2 layers of that one on. But even the yellow, you guys, was 1 coat. This yellow was so pretty. Now this color right here threw me for a loop. On the website, I thought it was gonna be like this chocolatey brown. I think it says chocolate brown, if I'm not mistaken, or no, this one is called Chocolate Dream. Now I did put it side by side because this is more of a burgundy. I thought it was going to be a really chocolatey brown, but it was given burgundy to me. I guess it's a brown with red undertones. I don't know, you guys, but as you can see, this green one, I think this one is called Green Mint, if I'm not mistaken. And this one, I redid the swatch because I wanted to put on a thinner layer. That is how thick these polishes are, you guys. I had to put on a thin layer of these. So we are dipping into some of my Halloween acrylics, you guys. Aren't they so pretty? Like, y'all are gonna see the swatch of them in 1 second. Now this one right here is called Pumpkin Spice, you guys. These are going to be on my website. They should be up by the time this video is posted. and I just wanted to do a quick little swatch for you all. I wanted to put at least 2 Halloween glitter acrylics out because I know people are looking for different glitter acrylics for different seasons, so I decided to do this one. I'm thinking about adding maybe a few more to the Halloween collection, Halloween fall collection, but I'm not sure yet. I will see how these do, and then we will take it from there. This next acrylic powder is off of my website as well. This one I named it Phantom. I named it Phantom. I really have no idea why. When I seen the purple, it was just giving like Phantom vibes. I don't know, you guys. So that is what I went with, and it screamed Halloween. So I thought that one was super cute. I actually love the purple one. I do only have a few of these acrylics available, so be sure to get it if you are going to get it. I am going to be linking a code for you all in the description box. You are going to get 15% off your purchase if you do make a purchase today. And today and tomorrow the code will be valid. After that it will not be valid, but the acrylics will still be on the website, and everything else on my website is going to be readily available for you all. The code for my website is going to be N2H15, and that will save you 15% off your entire purchase. I am going ahead and I just wanted to do a quick little swatch for you all so you can see just the consistency and everything of the acrylic powders, just see how they look. Now I did take a bit of a swatch that was not going to have too much glitter in it. So if you want more, obviously you can pick up more of the glitter, but I was trying to pick up areas that did not have too much glitter because I did want to have this be really see-through. Thus why I did not put any polish down on the nail. I am going to be using some polish in the middle of it, and I'm really just showing this to show you all just how pigmented they are and how opaque they are. There is no need to go over anything twice. I just made little dots. I didn't really have any vision for this nail. I really just wanted to display the acrylic powders, how they work and how they lay, and the polishes that I got in this kit, you guys. So or in this box I should say. So that is what they look like. They're super pretty, y'all. I'm like really in love with these colors. I really hope that they send me more polishes and I get to choose some more colors because I really want a pink from them. I just honestly I want all of their colors. Like, the colors are beautiful. They are so pigmented, you guys. Like, I can't express enough how pigmented they are and how opaque they are. Like, they go on so nicely. No streakiness. They are, I have nothing bad to say about them. Nothing bad. Oh, I didn't even mention that I do have a discount code for them, you guys. Like, I have a discount code. Everything is linked in the description box. If you click on my link, that does help me out. So if you are going on their website, the way that works is if you purchase through my link, then I will get a proceeds from it. I don't know. Do I get proceeds from it? Y'all, look, I don't even know if I make anything from this. So I don't know, but it helps me out with them wanting to even partner up with me. I don't really think I get paid from Nail Reserve, if I'm not mistaken. The only one that I get paid from, you guys, is Double Dip. All the other ones are just links to help you. So yeah, like I said, if you want to get 50% off your purchase of these polishes, my link is in the description box, and that will help me out to just know that people are actually purchasing through my links. And yeah, so please help me out and get you some good polishes, y'all. Shoot. But anyway, that is how it looked. That's how it looked with the clear polish. That clear polish was Beetle's gel polish, I believe. I do not have any Nail Reserve clear top coat, glossy top coat, or matte top coat, so I cannot tell you how that works, but I'm sure it works wonderful. I just have not tried it. Right here I am going to be testing out the polishes on a bigger surface, so I'm gonna see how they blend together. And this was like the perfect blend, you guys. Honestly, it came out beautiful. I am not going to show you guys the entire nail of this that I did, just because I really just wanted to display how pigmented they were. But I did end up doing some crazy like weird design at the end, so y'all are gonna see the finished nail and y'all gonna be like, what in the world were you doing? Girl, I don't know what I was doing either. But I did go ahead and do a quick vertical ombre for you all if you want to see that again. So I know everybody loves the vertical ombre. It's actually still kind of trending, but I did do another one. I think this is like my third time doing this little design and I'm absolutely in love with it. I did not do the double vertical ombre with the smile line. I just went ahead and did the simple straight up and down vertical ombre, and it came out really, really good. The polishes worked very, very well for this. So these would be great polishes to get if you want to do a design like this. Like I've said on my video, if you have not checked that video out, I'll link it above for you right here. On my first vertical ombre video, I did mention that I needed y'all to use very, very, very pigmented polishes, you guys. This vertical ombre trick will not work without you having very pigmented polishes. It will not come out right. It just won't. It's not gonna work. You have to use very pigmented and opaque polishes. Thicker polishes work great as well. But yeah, you guys, that is what I did. And then I just went ahead and I used some of the white, and I think this is called White Attic if I'm not mistaken, and the other one is Green Mint that I'm using right now, and I'm just going ahead and blending that out for you all, same exact way. And I am going to just make some quick lines through it. I had no vision for this, like I said, you guys. I really just wanted to do something crazy on the nail, and this is what I came up with. Couldn't really tell you what else I did. I was really just playing around with it. Now I did test out the Beetles matte top coat, and I personally love Beetles top coats, you guys. They're like really, really nice actually. So if you are looking for some top coats, I suggest Beetles. They're super cheap and you will love them. So yeah, you guys, these are all the swatches of everything. If you want to purchase anything from me, my link is in the description box. You can save 50% off of these polishes if you use my link in the description box as well. And I will see you on the next one. I love y'all so much. Mwah. Bye.